Specialist Aviation Services provides third-party maintenance and technical support for aircraft used in public service as well as other specialist roles. These include police aircraft, air ambulances, offshore and corporate helicopters. Our clients are spread across the world, with the majority of our operations covering the UK, mainland Europe, the Middle East and Asia.
SAS maintain a range of aircraft and helicopters. We are a service centre for the MD-902 Explorer, and we're also a service centre for the Augusta Westland AW169. We also maintain various other types on our approval.
A large number of our customers provide vital emergency support and need their helicopters to be fully serviceable, ready to go, 365 days a year. At SAS, we work around the clock to meet this need. We plan our maintenance meticulously, and we have extra backup to deal with the unexpected. We have field engineers permanently allocated to each of our customers' bases. We pre-position spares and carefully manage stock levels to ensure we can always dispatch extra spares at a moment's notice. We also provide backup aircraft if your primary aircraft is unavailable.
Certainly from my personal experience of service availability, I've had a very positive experience. When things have happened, either they've been fixed very quickly or we've had a replacement aircraft to keep us airborne and flying as much as possible. Everyone shares that same will and desire to get the aircraft available as quickly as possible because they know lives are at stake.
We even get involved with the aircraft manufacturer and aviation authorities to help develop the maintenance programs for each type of helicopter we support. One aircraft, for example, is the new Augusta Westland 169.
SAS has been involved with Augusta Westland on the 169 project from the inception. Several members of my maintenance team have been members of what we call the working groups, which produce the actual maintenance for the aircraft and maintenance schedules, and we will continue that working relationship throughout the aircraft life.
By helping to develop the maintenance programs, we can ensure all the necessary maintenance can be done as safely and efficiently as possible, whilst still delivering the same high levels of aircraft availability that have become synonymous with SAS.
Throughout the 5 years that we've been working with them, we only ever had 2 down days, and I think that is testament to the quality of the people in their support teams and the level of maintenance that they do.
Specialist Aviation Services, your total support solution.